I'm gonna assume that it's on, and I'm gonna see how this works. GoPro, pretty cool. This is the blizzard of 2016. We're about to venture outside and see what happens. Well, actually, you know, it happened. Snow, as they said it would. We got about a foot on the ground right now, and another foot is expected. But I've just heard from friends down down a little south from us got let's turn the light off. 30 inches. So we're gonna go out and attempt to. There she is. Blizzard 2016. Just saying, if you don't have to go outside, don't. You know, always heed that advice. Let's go out and check it out. There we go. Alright. Oh shit. Wow, look at this. I open the door. Put the glove on. Alright, here we go. Oh shit. Wow, look at this. Okay, look at those drifts on the side of the house. I gotta get out there and feed the birds. Oh wow. Look at this. Alright, let's get the shovel. Try and knock some of this out first. Because there is another 10 or 15 inches on the way. Wow, look at this. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. Look at these drifts. Oh my god. We gotta knock some of this out now. Oh, damn it. Alright, that's not too bad. Alright, that's gonna work. Whew. Look at this fucking snowdrift. Oh, excuse my French, but holy, we are snowed in. I don't know if it's recording. Really? Wow. Oh shit. What if Frank's in there? Let's go mess with Frank, won't you? Wow. Oh, the little train went by, so. Bob's all dug out, of course. Alright. No time like the present. Fuck. I wonder if we're recording. Alright, let's go feed the birds real fast. Look at that snowdrift. It's gotta be 4 foot high. Damn it. Hope you ate your Wheaties today, but wow, look. Alright, we're on. Let's see, it's on. Holy shit. There's my baby's car. Oh, this didn't work too well, huh? That did a little bit. Alright, it did a little bit. I tried putting the sheets over. It's not too bad. Looks like it just blew off now. So, this is what you gotta do when you don't have a garage. Oh, that did work. That worked pretty good. Alright. Well, that helped. Okay, I used an old sheet. That wasn't too bad. Hope it didn't cause any damage, I don't think so. Wow, look at this snow. Oh, Jesus. Alright, well the birdies have to eat too, so we're gonna... Look at that drift! Oh my god! Get out of there! Holy shit! Look at these sides of these drifts. I'll put those up there. Alright. I'm trying to get the birdies some food. Oh, look at them. I don't know if I can get in there. Yeah. Step in here. Is there any way we can open this? Oh, we snowed it. Oh, there it goes. Alright. There's my baby's Porsche. Alright, let's grab some food real fast. Come in here. Some food for the birds. They're probably trying to find the food that's all under the snow. And walk through these drifts. Out to where the birdies are. Wow. Need some Pepsi? It's an ice cold Pepsi, baby, right there. Alright. Let's get some of this out here for the birdies. Oh, alright, as you can see. Whoa, the drift's up over at least 15 inches right now. And I thought it was only 10, but there's at least, whoa. Yeah, there's an easy 15. Alright, the birdies. It's clogged up in there. Let's get this out. So these birdies can have some food on this here blizzard. 2016. Well, was it January 21st, I believe? Not too sure. Alright. There we go. Birdies. Alright. Don't go far. Come back. I got food for you. There we go. Alright. Let's get some on the top so these birdies to sit on the top and get some food. Alright. Wow. Oh. There we go. Wow, here the winds are starting to pick up. Whoa! And they're howling. And the trees sway. Alright, let's head back. Alright, I put this back. Whew. Oh. Alright, there we go. Put that back in there. There we go. Shut her down. Whew. Alright, what a beautiful day. And just think, 2 weeks from today, we'll be in Whistler, Canada, where conditions will be probably very similar to this. That's why I put some stuff in here last night. So we got some silk. We got some Mountain Dew. We'll have to take some of that out. And we got some Diet Peak. What's that? Gold Peak Diet Iced Tea. Good stuff. Let's get this while we're here now. We can open the door. Alright, let's get the shovel. Alrighty. Alright. Yo. You see me in the reflection? Here we go. Alright. Vehicles aren't too bad, although this is a lot of snow. And as they say, more to come. Alright, where to begin? At the beginning. Shit, look at this. Wow, that's ice. Oh, damn it, this is going to be fun. Alright, hopefully we don't have a heart attack on the... See if my baby's in there yet. I don't see her yet. The car's still upstairs. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it off. See what we got here. Alright, let's go see what Frank's doing. Frank and Janine. Janine? Wow. Look at this. Alright. Again, back to my... If you're not in an ambulance, emergency vehicle, snow plow, doctor or nurse, you have no business being out on the road. What's going on? Alright. Let's see. You guys home? Can't see you guys home? Yo! Just say hi. I'm testing out my new camera.
How are you? Oh yeah, look at me. I'm a freaking mess.
Is the red light on?
Yeah.
Okay.
GoPro?
Yeah.
You're not going out walking, are you?
No, I'm just gonna try and get rid of some of the drifts are really high.
Really
Hey
high.
Jake, hey buddy.
Did you hear him stuck?
A little bit. Yeah, it kind of got me up though. I needed to get up.
Yeah,
Alright, get back in there. It's cold.
Come on, Jay.
He's sleeping?
Yeah.
Alright, tell him I said hello. Stay warm.
I'll see you in a little bit. I'll be
Okay.
back out the shop.
If you need anything, we're right next door.
Thank you. You
Alright.
too.
Get in, go ahead, Jake. Get in there.
Come on, Jay.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
There goes Denise. Alright. Frank's in there sleeping. Get up, nigga! Alright, we're gonna shut this down. Oh, look at the size of that snowdrift. Alright, we're gonna turn it off here. Wait, not yet. Let's come out here. Alright. Alrighty. Whoa. Oh, shit. Alright. There's a lot of snow. Try and get out the street here, see what we got. There ain't no plows coming around here. See our house, oh shit. Get all that snow on the roof. Might have to get that off. Look at the gutter, how it's starting to cave. It's almost snowed up to the windows. Oh shit. I might have to get some of that snow off there. Or try at least. There goes Dylan and Tim. What's up, man? Dude, this is a lot, man. This is a lot.
Drag your truck out again?
No way. Got no business. What's up, right? Hola. Check it out. We're on. It's my boy Timmy right there in the sunlight. And Dylan just took off around the corner somewhere. Wow. This is a lot, man. Alright. Ah, Dylan. He scared the crap out of me. Oh my god. Dylan. Hey, buddy. Hey, come on. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. No, Dylan. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Hey. That's a good boy. You like the snow, Dylan? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. There he goes. That's Dylan. Good boy. That's a good boy. Dylan. Alright. Settle down. Alright, settle down. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, good boy. He's galloping like a horse. That's right. Bombs away. Right. Wow. Holy. We still got more on the way. It's not done snowing. This is maybe another 10 inches. It's good you're getting some of it now though, because you don't want to shovel 30 instead of 15. Wow. Can't, there's a lot of snow, man. Alright, he's trying to get out over there. Alright, there he goes, he's almost got it. Uh-oh, he's gonna hit the house. He watched the house. He's close to the house. Close to the house. Uh-oh. He got it. Oh shit, we all get behind him, we can push him out. That is. What's that, 350? Okay. He should get it here. Wow, look at that. You got it. You got it. Oh. That's close though. GoPro get behind him. Nah, that thing will roll over us. Oh shit, there we go. Alrighty then. Alright, he's close, you almost have it out. Alright, he's trying to get his truck out. Man, we're hitting the house right there. Alright. Well, like I said, if you're not an emergency vehicle, such as the one that just passed, or a doctor, nurse, snowplow, you have no business being out here. Alright, so I'm going to take off the GoPro now, as I said a while ago. Alright, we're still recording.